Chapter 15: The Earth and the Sky. The Earth. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to have water and life. There are mountains that soar so high, and there are valleys that are deep, green, and rich with plants. There are oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Hence, it is called a special planet. The surface of the Earth is mostly covered by water, which appears blue, and only partly by land, which appears brown or green. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This is called atmosphere. The solar system, the natural object that revolves around the sun, is called a planet. The family of the sun is called the solar system. It is made up of the sun, 8 planets, and their moons. The sun. The sun is the closest star to the earth. It is so big that many earths can fit inside it. Yet it appears small because it is far away from us. It is one of the millions of stars in the universe. It is a huge fireball made up of hot, burning gases which keeps burning all the time. Sunlight helps plants to produce food. It heats and turns it into water vapor. On cooling it, this water vapor form clouds which bring rain. Other planets? Planets do not have light of their own. They move around the sun and get heat and light from it. Our Earth is third planet from the sun. Jupiter is the largest planet, while Mercury is the smallest planet. The Moon. The Moon is the Earth's closest neighbor and natural satellite. It has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the sunlight. It has no water and air. It is natural satellite of the Earth. Phases of the Moon. Every night the shape of the moon is different. It is due to the change in the position of the Earth. It appears that the moon changes its shape. When we do not see the lit up face of the moon at all, it is called new moon. After the new moon, the crescent moon appears. We see only a thin part of its up face. After crescent moon, we see half moon, and after that we see the whole of the lit up face of the moon. It is called the full moon. The day when we see the full moon is called Purnima. The day when the moon is not visible at all is called Amavasya. The stars. There are millions of stars in the sky. On a clear night, we can see the sky studded with many twinkling objects. They are called stars. They look very small because they are very far away from the earth. They have own light. It seems that they are twinkling because of the presence of atmosphere around the earth. Constellations. Sometimes we find that these stars form imaginary groups. These groups of stars are called constellations. There are many constellations seen in the night sky. They are Big Dipper, popularly known in India as Saptarishi Mandal, Scorpio Orion, Ursa Major, and Leo. Quick recall: the Earth is only planet which has life and water. Natural object that revolves around the sun is called a planet. The family of the sun is called solar system. Sun is a huge fireball. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. The twinkling objects in the sky are called stars. The certain imaginary groups of stars are called constellations.